Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track project risks and mitigations in CLICKUP, your 2025 guide. First up, go to your CLICKUP dashboard and create a new list specifically for risks and mitigations. This helps us because it centralizes all our potential hurdles and planned solutions in one accessible place. Now that we've done that, add custom fields for risk category, severity, mitigation plan, and status. The reason we do this is to detail each risk thoroughly. For instance, risk category could be technical, operational, or financial. Severity signifies how impactful the risk could be on the project. Mitigation plan is where we write down our planned response. And status helps us track if the risk is identified, mitigated, or resolved. Next up, add new tasks for each identified risk in your project. Fill in the details for the custom fields we just created. This step is important because it helps us itemize each risk and its associated mitigation plan. Once you've populated your tasks, it's time to use CLICKUP's status feature to track the progress of each risk. Update the status field as you move through the mitigation process. This helps us because it gives a real-time snapshot of where we stand with each risk. Let me explain why this matters. Having a clear, systematic approach to identifying, categorizing, and tracking risks helps us stay proactive and prevent potential roadblocks from derailing our project. Finally, remember to use CLICKUP's assignee feature to delegate responsibility for each risk and its mitigation. This is crucial because it ensures that there's always someone accountable for managing these risks. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to track project risks and mitigations in CLICKUP. Remember, staying on top of potential project risks is key to successful project management. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.